C++ and Java. That's all, ma'am.
And others?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Divya. Currently, I'm pursuing my BTech third year in RGKT Srikakulam in the stream of computer science. My skills are HTML, CSS, and Java. That's it. Thank you.
Yes. And others? Hello? Hello, I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are
Yes,
loud and
ma'am.
clear.
Okay. So guys, please make the sessions more interactive. You can communicate one by one. And if you have any problem in any topic, you can ask me. But without without any communication, this session is not working. Okay. So guys, please make sure you can communicate with me one by one. Okay. If you have any query in any topic, I hope it's clear to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, okay. So can you please explain me like your level like in web designing, like intermediate, beginner, or advanced? So it is easy for me. One by one, you can tell me.
Ma'am, I'm beginner.
Okay. And others?
Ma'am,
I'm a
intermediate.
beginner, ma'am.
Sorry, one by one.
Yes, ma'am. I'm also beginner in designing.
Okay,
Myself beginner, ma'am.
okay. And others?
I'm beginner, ma'am.
Okay,
Intermediate, ma'am.
okay. Okay, so you all are beginner and intermediate, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So today class we can discuss about basic HTML. Okay, so I can share my screen. Yeah. It is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. So like you tell me that you are a beginner or like intermediate. So you know about HTML. So guys, can you please tell me what is HTML? Hello.
Ma'am,
Hello.
it can be described as structured language used for designing web pages.
Okay, nice. And others?
HTML defines the structure of the web page.
Okay. And others?
It is the way to display documents in web browser.
Okay. Okay. So you know basically what is doc type in HTML? It is in new in HTML5. So anybody know about that?
Yes, ma'am. Doc type will show the HTML version.
Okay. So can you please tell me the current version of HTML? Anybody know?
HTML5, ma'am.
HTML5.
Okay, great, well done. Okay, guys. So today we discuss basic HTML tags. Okay, what type of tag we are using in HTML, and we can implement practically, because I think uh, theoretical you can learn from any tutorials point and any site, but practical is more important. So we can focus on practical things. Okay, it is okay for you guys.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
excellent.
ma'am.
Okay. Oh, so let's start with basic HTML, you can say structure. So first we write HTML body and like which is main part we can write about which is we can display on browser basically, and this body in HTML. Okay, I will show the practical of that. So like this. Okay, guys, can you please tell me what type of headings in HTML?
Ma'am, from H1 to H5.
Uh, yeah, but it's H6, not H5. You're correct. Partially you are correct, but yeah, H6 headings. Okay, so which one is a very big, you can say heading?
H1.
H1.
One.
H1, ma'am.
Okay, so this is basic structure. So, mm, and what is the role of H2, guys?
Its text size is smaller than H1.
Yeah, right. So, how can we save the HTML document? What's the type? How can we save this?
Ma'am, dot
Dot.
HTML extension है लगा था.
Extension is
Uh,
.html.
And we can save it with HTML, so it work or not?
It works, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So any difference between these two? Any difference? HTML and .html. Hello.
No,
Okay. Okay. I'll save it as .html. Okay. So yeah. Show the output. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is type of headings like H1, H2, H3, and H6. Okay. Now we discuss about paragraph text. Can you please tell me about paragraph text? Anybody? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Used
Yes, ma'am. P tag stand for paragraph tag.
So what is the work of paragraph tag?
used to represent our content in a particular paragraph without any line breaks.
Yeah, exactly. Right. Okay, so I type hi. Yeah. So any type of big paragraph you can write in using p tag, but it is a basic basically used for paragraph. Okay. What is b tag, guys? Hello.
It is used to make our text bold.
Yeah. And others?
Yes, ma'am. Same.
what work of iTech?
Italic.
Italic.
It will show italic.
And what is UTech?
Underline.
Underline.
And the BRTech?
Line break.
Line break.
Line break. Yes.
And you know about HTML lists?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me.
We have ordered list and unordered list. In both the lists, we have list elements.
Okay. So what is the basic difference in both? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, both. What is the difference between ordered and unordered list?
I mean, order list, we have a list in a sequential order, like it is in alphabet or it is in number. Whereas talking about an order list, it's mainly specified by particular symbols such as squares or circles, etc.
Okay. And other list as well, like description list. Right?
Ma'am, it is a list of item with description or definition. You can say.
Okay, so what type of tag we use in description list?
Ma'am, first we will DL, then after that uh, for a heading DT and for a description DD tag.
Yeah, very nice. And other? Hello. Guys, other please respond. Hello. I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so this is a unordered list. Basically, in unordered list, we can use unordered list tag, UI tag, basically, and li is for list item. Okay, let's see. Yeah, unordered list. Which basic difference in order list and unordered list? Only the tags. Like in unordered list, we can use UL tag, and the order list we can use OL tag. Okay, guys. Yeah, one, two, three. It's an ordered list, and the description list. This is the basic description list. For this, we can use DL, and DT is for basically heading, and DD for basically the, you can say, definition about particular element. You can use in DT. So let's say, like HTML. So the description is like HTML is a markup language, and Java is basically a programming language. Okay. So first, uh, guys, you know about image tag?
Um,
Yeah, please tell me.
Ma'am, image tag it is used to represent an image in our web pages with the source tag.
Okay. So we can set the height and width of image. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We can set the image height and width.
Yes, ma'am. We
Yes,
can.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for this we can use any particular tag or like height or width type.
Yes, these are its attribute, and this can be set by us.
Okay. Suppose if my image is not stored in my folder, so it is display on browser. It is possible.
No.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
By
No, ma'am.
reason.
Ma'am, we
We
have to given the path and the image name
Okay.
extension.
So, like my image is home. So, how can I find what type of image this is? I mean, like JPG, PNG.
It's image name and
Sorry,
write
Ma'am, it
image name.
image name. Okay, but how can I specify the what is the like extension of that image?
by
we can
checking
check.
it through the
Ma'am,
property.
we can check from properties.
Like this properties.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Like this is not properly aligned, so we can use height and width. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So if you tell me what like what type of range I give this image that it is properly aligned.
100
500
px, 100
Sorry,
px or
100 pixel or 100%
pixel.
pixel.
pixel. It's if I 100% so it works or not.
Not work.
Okay, let's try. So, then person. Oh, guys, know about table tag?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me what is table tag?
Used to
Ma'am,
represent data in tabular form by use of some tag like table row, table data, TRTD, and table heading.
Okay, so basically, for example, uh, you have a student data like serial number, date of birth, or name. So how can you create the table of student?
uh, ma'am, for this we have to first write a table, then
Sorry, please again.
To represent the data in a row and column form. So firstly we have to write table and then tr tag table row and then first heading th. Uh, After that, of the tr tag. This.
TR, TR tag, first of all, table heading. Please repeat again.
Then I'm saying that we have to write first table like table heading, table tag.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please continue.
Okay, ma'am. Then we have to write tr tag, table row, and then a ts tag, which stand for table heading, like this, ma'am.
Okay. So basically, we can use three tags in tables like TH for table heading, and TR for table row, and TD is for table data. Okay. Okay. So basically, this is an example of table. So this is like we can set the border of table. If we not set border of table, so what happens?
The boundaries, for example, the lines of the each cell wouldn't be visible to us.
Okay. And if I give the color of table, so it is possible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So basically, in this table border, we can set border according to our data. So basically, TR is for table row and TD is table data. So in which table row we store the table data. Okay. So yeah, I can change the border. So guys, I hope you are understand the concept. If you have any problem, hello,
Yes, ma'am.
any problem,
Yes,
anybody?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Like beginners, hello,
Yes, ma'am.
understand everything or any problem?
No, ma'am.
Oh, so what is called cell padding and cell spacing attribute in table? Anybody explain me? Hello, hello, guys, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am. You
Yes,
are
ma'am.
audible.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so you know about cell cell padding and cell spacing? Okay, so I will explain you what is cell padding and cell spacing attribute in table. Basically, this is the two attributes, and we can use for the edges the white space, which is white space in between. You can say a table. Okay. Okay, I will show the practical. Okay, so basically, for we set border So we can specify the cell padding and cell spacing according to you. Okay, how? Like this. Guys, you clear or any problem in cell spacing or cell padding? Guys, response. Only
No,
one is
ma'am.
responding.
No, ma'am. Can you please show again the code?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, like this. Basically, it's a table border and cells padding. You can set according to you. According to you. Okay. And spacing. What type of spacing cells? So this and the basic structure like tables TR, TH, and it is same.
Okay, ma'am.
Any problem? Others?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Oh,
No, ma'am.
okay. So, guys, you know about form tag?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
What is form tag?
Ma'am, HTML forms a section of a document. Uh, yes, ma'am. Which controls like text, file, password, like this.
Okay. And others?
Used to make like login pages or surveys and etc.
Okay. So, what type of attribute we can use in forms? You can see the login pages, sign up pages.
There are various attributes such as input, password, check
But
boxes, radio buttons, and etc.
Okay. So, what is difference between checkbox and radio buttons?
Ma'am, in checkbox we can have multiple options, in the whereas in the radio box we have only to select only one item.
Okay. And if I create a form and I can do the internship in multiple like domains, so what what type of attribute I'm using, like checkbox or radio button?
Checkbox.
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 Chat box.
Checkbox, ma'am.
Well, you know about option attribute in like form?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is option attribute?
Ma'am, to choose multiple option as there.
Like this type, basically used for drop down.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So basically, option is a tag. In option, we have a select, which is basically used for a drop down. Okay.
Chandni ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
I would just like to interrupt. I want to ask everyone that some of you are answering. This should not happen that who are not understanding, you can ask your doubts, okay? Because you guys are answering, so ma'am will understand that you are understanding everything. So who are not responding, just ask anytime, unmute yourself and ask that we have not understood. All right?
Okay,
Fine
ma'am.
with everyone. It should not happen that some of you are not understanding and ma'am is going ahead. You have to tell her that we have not understood. She will take like she will understand that you are understanding, because if you not respond, she will take it as like you are understanding. Okay, so who will not understand, just kindly unmute and ask that we have not understood this. She'll explain you. All right with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Chandni ma'am. Continue.
So, before we proceed to form, guys, I give you a simple assignment on the table. Are you comfortable to working on tables?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So, you know what? Mari Q tag, Q tag, sorry.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me. Hello.
Ma'am, which tag?
This one. Hello.
I don't know, ma'am.
I don't know,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, okay.
No,
I will
ma'am.
share. And this type of tag.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Any problem?
Okay,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so what is HR tag? HR.
Horizontal,
Horizontal
ma'am.
tag?
Ruler.
Horizontal.
Horizontal break, ma'am.
Okay, so what is difference between BR and HR?
It creates a horizontal line after the tag we have mentioned, whereas BR just goes over to the next line.
Okay, so like this. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Like this type of difference you can say, right? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, if I create a like drop down in HTML, so what type of tag I'm used? Hello.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Hello. Now it's audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if I create a drop down, So what type of tag I'm using in HTML?
Option.
Yeah, right.
Selector.
Let's
Select.
yeah, yeah, like this is the part of option 10, but you're right. Okay. So basically, radio button, chat box. Also, yeah, for like I create the text box in form. So what type of input type I give?
Text.
Text.
Also, I'm for password.
Password tag.
Password.
So why I'm not giving the text type for password?
Of it because of encryption form.
Oh, nice. And others?
Ma'am, can you please explain the chat box and radio buttons? I don't know what it is.
Okay. Hello guys, my screen are visible.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
it is.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
right? It is visible.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It is.
Yeah. Okay. So this is basically a checkbox. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And another is radio box, right? You have problem in radio box. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Like this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So guys, anyone has any query?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sure. Guys, are you sure? Yeah.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So guys, please tell me what is cell padding and cell spacing in table?
Ma'am, to give the space.
To adjust the space.
Yeah.
Okay. And others?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. Same.
cell padding gives the space between text and the border, where cell spacing gives the space between both the borders, I guess.
And others? Guys, speak.
Ma'am, cell padding is space between cell borders and content within a cell, and cell spacing is used to specify the space between the cells.
Okay. Uh, so guys, today I give you two assignments on tables and forms. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
Okay,
uh,
ma'am.
I upload the
What we have to
assignment.
do, ma'am?
Yeah. So basically, for in table, we are creating the table of student like serial number, name, date of birth. Normally, like database. Basically, it's a static database. Create. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
And in table Simply you create a sign up page like name, username, password.
Form. In form.
Yeah, yeah, simple form.
Okay,
Registration
ma'am.
form. Simple. Like
Okay, ma'am.
name,
Okay, ma'am.
date of birth, and gender. Yeah. So guys, I hope you have not any problem in any topic.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No.
Okay. Okay.
So, ma'am, have you finished the class?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Done with the class, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll be taking the attendance. So, everyone unmute and then say present, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, first is Rama Lakshmi, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay. Vishnu,
Present, ma'am.
Lakhan Soni,
Present, ma'am.
Tanusha,
Present, ma'am.
Deepak.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Soumya,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Dinesh,
Present, ma'am.
Divya, Divya,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Deepak Kumar, Deepak Kumar, are you here? Deepak, I'll just call everyone's name 2 times. I'll not call thrice. So are you here? He left the meeting. Okay, fine. Venkat, Venkat Karanam, are you here?
Karnamo absent.
Venkat, are you here? I'll be marking absent. I'm telling you. Please unmute if you are here. Fine. Rahul,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Hari Krishna,
Present, ma'am.
Sonali,
Present, ma'am.
Jyoti, Munduri, Jyoti Janvi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, how should I call your name? Like, tell me who your first initials. Tell me your first name.
Jahnavi, ma'am.
Janvi. Okay, fine.
Hmm.
Next is Nadiminti.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me your first name also.
Satyavini, ma'am.
Satyavini. Okay, fine. Raghav.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Mary Priyanka.
Present, ma'am.
Tell me your first name.
Mary Priyanka, ma'am.
Okay. Madhu.
Present, ma'am.
Your first name is Madhu only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. N. Mamta.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ashish Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Duba. Duba. Who's Duba here? Jagannandharo. Who is here? Are you here in the meeting? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes,
Guys, am
ma'am.
I audible? Okay, fine. Anubhav.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And one is left. Ashwini.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. So today's absentees are like Deepak left the meeting, Deepak, Venkat, and Duba. Okay, I have marked absent for these. If you are here, you can reply. Otherwise, I'm marking absent. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, done with the meeting. Thank you. Over to Chandni, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And thank you so much, everyone.
Okay, thank you guys, and kindly join the meeting on time. Okay, don't delay the meeting, like don't delay the time. Just join on time. Join till 2:05. We'll be starting from 2:05 tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
You too, ma'am.